Chega mais, pessoal, o grande show vai começar. Saca só a zebra zoando. É isso aí.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my
Que
heart.
coisa mais
You
linda!
make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
Eu acho ela bonitinha e meio hipnótica.
Concordo.
They don't know how long it takes waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an
Cadê o bebê? Olha ele aqui!
So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You'll need love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, then between the sand and stone, could you make it on your own? If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go, and maybe I'll find out a way to make it back someday, to want you, to guide you through the darkest of your days.
Eu gosto deles.
Eu gostei deles, eu gostei deles, eu gostei primeiro, antes mesmo de conhecer, eu gostei deles, de ver eles, eu gostei logo de saída. Você, comparado com o quanto eu gostei
Cala a
deles.
boca, foi muito chato!
I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart. Run away with my heart.
E aí, meu irmão, eu vi, hein? Que beijão você deu, hein? Beijoqueiro.
Just quite how my life and love might still go on. In your heart, in your mind, I'll stay with you for all time. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I'll go
chega um momento na vida em que a gente precisa encontrar alguém especial.
É.
Sossegar o facho, ter um relacionamento.
Eu tô contigo.
O quê? Uma decisão madura.
Tipo, namorar?
É, namorar.
Kiss me out of the bearded barley nightly beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You wear those shoes and I will wear that dress. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open head, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling, so kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken tree house. Swing me upon its hanging tire. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me.
Exata, vem, nós queremos mostrar uma coisa.
Tá, claro.
Lift your open head, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling, so kiss me. Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open head, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling, so kiss me.
Você disse que tava apaixonado por
É,
ela,
João.
ele tá apaixonadão por
Fecha
ti,
esse
aí
bico.
se amarrou na tua. Até mais.
So kiss me. So kiss me. So kiss me.
Alguém pode me explicar que história é essa?
Ai, papai, apaixonei.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise.
que você tá fazendo, bobão? Tá achando graça? Já acabou. Aí, pessoal, foi mal. Bom. Vai fundo.